everyone, I'm Dr. Susie Gronski, Doctor of Physical Therapy, Pelvic Health Therapist, Sexuality Counselor, and Educator. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a female pelvic floor exam. We're first going to start with real-time ultrasound transabdominally over the belly to take a look at our model's bladder. This is the view that we're going to see on the screen, and I'm going to guide our model to do a couple of pelvic floor contractions, and we get to see pelvic floor muscles in real-time action. Now, real-time ultrasound for pelvic floor therapists is not diagnostic. We use real-time ultrasound for rehabilitative purposes, to assess for pelvic floor function and to help in our clinical reasoning and assessment. It's also a fantastic tool to help people visualize and connect with their bodies as far as what their pelvic floor muscles are doing or not doing. So in this part of the exam, we're going to apply a little bit of ultrasound gel to the belly, right above the pubic area. And then I'll take my transducer, put it over our model's belly, and then I'm going to try to find the bladder, and her bladder should be pretty full. So we'll be able to see the bladder in its fullness. And then I'll walk you through the rest, okay? Come join me on Patreon! You'll get a full step-by-step guidance, plus tons of other uncensored pelvic health tutorials you won't find here on YouTube. Check out the link below.